adventure motorcycles ruined motorcycles for me. Now wait, you're saying you ride all the time. Yes, I do. Here's how adventure motorcycles ruin motorcycles for me. Is that road closed? I'll run down this gravel and find out why it's closed. It's a nature area. Might be something interesting. Gravel surface? Whatever. That's fine. I don't care because I've got an adventure motorcycle. Now, if you've watched the channel for a while, you've seen where I went out in Nebraska on the Goldwing. Sucked the whole time. It was comfortable for the most boring highway part, but it wasn't sporty enough to do the fun roads. It wasn't off-roadish enough to do the sand and all that. And it beat my shins to pieces with me trying to ride at places like this. So because I've owned this bike and because I've owned a CRF 250L, I can't go back to owning just a street bike. And I don't know if I can really even have a street bike just for, you know, cruising trips, because I go on these little trips. I had no intention of going off-road today. I did 2 creek crossings and about 10 miles off-road, plus about 40 miles of gravel. I wasn't planning to go off-road. I thought, oh, where's this gravel road go? Oh, where's that dirt road go? You know, the rear rim is dirty. Let's go through the creek. You know, so because I've owned bikes that are capable of doing highway and city and off-road and gravel, that's the way I ride now. That's the way I go on adventures. And straight up street bikes like my old Kawasaki Concourse, the Goldwing, they just don't cut it anymore. So I'm stuck with adventure bikes forever because of what they're able to do. Will I ever own a purely street bike? Highly doubtful, because of the cost and because there will come a time when I'm riding that street bike and I'll see this, or I'll see a gravel road off into the horizon and I'll think, where does that go? What am I missing out on? And then I'll sell the street bike. So that is how adventure motorcycles ruined motorcycles for me. I'm incredibly happy. I still ride, obviously, but careful. It'll happen.